Welcome back to TTOP Gaming. This will technically be episode 2, and today we're playing Survive Area 51. This is the original versions from like 2014, 2011-ish timeframe, Sonic. And I've redone this video like 8 times, so I'm planning on trying to do all of these at some version, I mean at some point. But we're gonna start with classic mode, obviously, and try to go as far as I can. Actually, I'm just gonna go until I die. Normal. Legends say that a live alien is hidden in the area. Isn't this Area 51? Wouldn't that make sense? There. Hop in, please don't die. I like first person, so let's go. Hi, Nicholas. Oh, Nicholas is probably dead. Nicholas? Dude. Is that thing out there? Nicholas. Damn, Nicholas. Nicholas. Bro. Yeah, you're going first. I'm not going. That's Slenderman? I hear something. Oh, hell no. Oh, Chucky! Oh, shoot! No, I can't die. Then the video will end. No. Nope. Nope, please. Nope. Shoot. Know what? I'm not counting that. Next time I die. Because that was a little unfair, because Nicholas is Nicholas-ing right now. Green guy, please help me, cause I'm not following you, Nicholas. Nicholas let me down. You know what? Screw it. I'm coming, Nicholas. Oh man, Nicky, my boy, Nicky. Oh, hell no. Yeah, I don't think my health bar is visible on the screen, but it's kind of empty. Was that Nicholas? No, that wasn't. I hope they're not following me anymore, because I am leaving. Beep. I should probably heal in here. I should be fine at this health. I think during one of the takes of this video, I've already been down here, so I know the map of this area. I don't know the map of everything else, but I know Chucky is down here, and I know that the alien is also down here, but I don't know where. I think I went this way through this door. What? Oh. Open. Let's see. I know I went in here and there's saw blades, so I'm not gonna try that. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through the vent. Let's see. I don't think I can get through that, so I'm just gonna go back. I'm not gonna go into Sawblade land. Can I take this? Ooh! I have a gun. Do I click? Oh, click to shoot. That's nice. Space to shoot? No, I have to click. Shoot jumping won't be fun though. I have 3 shots? Dang. That's kind of sad though. What else do we got? Well, we hit 35 subscribers on the channel today, which is cool. No, 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 no. Oh. Do I count that? I don't think that was one of the killers. That was a guy. Was that a killer? Do I count that? If this cactus hurts me, I count it. That hurt me. Do I want to count that though? Really? How long is the video? It's not showing me. This is a tough choice. You know what? I'm gonna go in one more time for the sake of the length of the video. And for the sake of this not being too boring. We're going again. I don't care. It's time for Five Nights at Freddy's. Hello, Nicholas. You let me down in the past. That's why I will be deporting you. Yeah, hey. I'm heading back to Minnesota. Because that's where I pretty much belong right now. And there's that one guy from 2010. Can he climb? Oh my god, he can. No. Carl. Stay away, Carl. iCarly. Ow. Do not open this door. Too late, someone already did. And there's Michael Montgomery Gator Myers. Shoot, that's an empty hole. And he just stabbed me like 8 times. And there's Slenderman. Gun. Maybe I can just constantly reload. Get more shots. Wait. I can't shoot. Right there. Now let me try something. Can I reload from this and get an extra bullet? No. Forces me to shoot the last bullet and then reload. That's annoying, but whatever. It's what it is. It's a 2-shot gun. It's not that great. Oh, and there's Freddy Fazbear. Or that's just Nicholas when he wakes up at 3. Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah, I'm ending the video. I'm counting that. Alright, how do I end it? I think I have to leave the game. Shout out Ademi Cosmin, Bacon Jess 23, Big Camzilla, Hi, and where's my boy Nicholas? Nicholas, yeah, and Jeremy, and Powder. I don't even know what Powder he's talking about, and I hope it's not what I think it is, so goodbye!